There's really three key market forces that are causing the industry to shift more of their focus towards IDNs. The first is provider consolidation. IDNs and large hospital systems have been buying up hospitals at an unprecedented rate, and the bigger getting bigger, and with that comes more of a need to focus on these large customers. The second is related to changes driven by the Affordable Care Act and healthcare reform. A shift from fee-for-service to value-based care to bundled payment and accountable care means that hospitals and systems are more focused on driving down costs, and that is coming back to the industry, and so they need to have a more sophisticated approach to these large systems. The third is the increasing purchasing sophistication of these large systems. They've been able to align their physicians with their administrators and their materials management to really drive down pricing and reduce the number of vendors in their institutions. And that's really putting pressure on the industry to make sure that they're one of the survivors and that they can succeed in this environment. I see over the next 5 years provider consolidation continuing. I think it'll evolve from more of a local consolidation model to more of a regional consolidation model, but there's still going to be a need for consolidation to gain cost efficiencies and leverage. And in fact, if you play forward the current rate of consolidation, which is about 200 to 300 hospitals getting acquired per year, if you play that forward for 5 years, we expect that the top 50 IDNs will control 50% of the market, and 80% of the market will be controlled by the top 160 IDNs. So it's really going to be more important than ever to be successful with these customers. There's really three things that medtech manufacturers need to do well to succeed in this new environment. The first is really broaden their value proposition, move beyond the traditional product performance in the hospital, add new services, redefine how they're defining value. The second is flipping the model from more of a geographic field-based organization to more key accounts focused, shifting resources from sales reps to key account managers, thinking about their main customer as the IDN, not the individual hospital or the physician. And the third thing is to build more agility into their commercial operations so they can evolve their model as the industry consolidates. A great place to start down this journey is really to get to know your customers a lot better. And so diving deep and profiling your IDNs. And there's three key things you really need to focus on. The first is understanding their overall value. How large are they? Are they going to acquire? How much of the market do they control? The second is how do they make decisions? Are they making decisions centrally or are they decentralized? Who are the key decision makers? Where are they located? Should you get value from deploying a key account manager at headquarters, or do you need to call on individual hospitals? And the third is really understanding their needs and how they want to work with the industry. Do their needs align with our strengths as a company and our value prop? And are they a customer that's willing to partner? Or are they much more transactional, and do they really just want to drive down pricing at an arm's length? Overall, the main driver and the main implication is that you need to think about where the puck is moving and be prepared to be more key account centric and flip the model to IDNs.